Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Pam Denton, and I am here with Hillary Wells to talk to you about our up and coming workshop this weekend, July 24th, 2021. And we are going to be talking about becoming stronger than your stressors. Really important that we stop right now, look at our stress and say, hey, stress, I am going to become stronger than you. Drive new energy into your body and learn how to upgrade your inner body reality so that you can become stronger than your stressors.
Exactly, Pam. It is time. It is time for all of us. Stress is the #1 killer. The top 5 diseases that kill Americans are all caused by stress. So let's deal with that. How do we deal with that? By breathing, by moving. First, we breathe, connect breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. The simple act of connecting with your breathing. Close your eyes, tuning in, and just breathing. If you just did that every day, your stress would already reduce. You would already start to become stronger than your stressors. And in SuperCORE, we build up tension. We go into tension so that we can release it. Many of our moves are based on this building of tension to release, build to release. Let's do a peace release together right now. I'm going to move back a little so you can see me. Let's make a fist. Start building up frustration, tension, anxiety, fear. Build it up. And then we're going to punch up 8 times and then grab some peace right at the top. Ready? Punch up with me. Punch, 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 punch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take some peace and pull it right down the center. Pull it right down. Pull it right down. And then fingertips down. Rub your hands together, activating a sense of grounding. Yeah, that's our peace release move that we do in SuperCORE. And it's amazing for building those physical, emotional, and mental tools to become stronger than your stressors.
You can learn how to become stronger than your stressors. You can do it. You're going to have to make time to practice, have a consistent practice, and bring this work into your leadership, your work environment, your everyday life. Our introductory workshop that's coming up this weekend is perfect. It's perfect for you to learn how to become stronger than your stressors. We're going to be talking about the leadership work, the inner body breath work, the movements. You'll get to experience a class, and you'll also get to experience the science that backs this work. Inside of every single person is a powerhouse waiting to be opened up. And what you need to do is learn how to drive energy into the core and become core intelligent. So join us.
You can sign up through Studio Nia Santa Fe at studioniasantafe.com. We'll see you on Saturday.
Bye, everyone.